The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla again. Big up and respect to each and every one. You know, and I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to explain a little bit about it very quick and fast. Alright? Now, this video is out on social media, and according to what had been said about this video on social media is that this video shows a confrontation between two gay men, and it is said that this had happened within the country of Jamaica. Now, I look at this video for myself and I heard some things that had been said in this video, but I am still asking this question: what could have caused this hostile argument between these two men? Now, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can also let me know what you think. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.
Batman them. And sexy. Man. Batman a fight. A joking this. Help him to do it. Batman thing go on. Yeah, the man sexy. Oh boy. Batman them. Fuck out him Batman now and pay. I want to go to Jamaica. The police have not stopped him. Joke thing this, you never know Jamaica. I want to go on. Joke this, nobody want to go back. Back direct today. What is? Man, I defend fish money. John, no dog.